Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Press the door switches and the refrigerator temperature button 3 times within 10 seconds. After releasing the switches, there should be a letter S display in the freezer section and an E in the refrigerator's display.
Let's help you make your mark.
As the refrigerant travels through the coils at a high pressure, it cools and turns back into a liquid. Clogged condenser coils can produce poor circulation of air, restricting your fridge's ability to keep cool.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.